Welcome to 𝗙𝗻𝗄. In this video, I will tell you how to compress the size of a large video file. First, we check the size of the file. Right-click on the video you want to compress and click Properties. You can see the file size is 175 megabits. I will tell you two methods to compress the file. First, we use the free online tool method, which is 𝗙𝗻𝗄.io, where you are able to compress files easily. You can click the link that I have mentioned in the video below to go to the website. Once you click a website, open here, you choose the video that you like to compress. You can upload a file or drag and drop the file to upload. Your video is uploading. Once your video is uploaded, it will take you to a new page. Here, you can compress the video by scrolling through the compression option. Also, you can set the video resolution and also the frame and quality of the video. Now click the compress button. The video is compressing. I didn't want to do high compression, that's why my compression size is 9%. You can check the quality of the video by playing it and can also edit the video again. For now, I click on the download button and my video gets downloaded. I will check the file size by going to Window Explorer and right-click on the downloaded video to check the size of the video. You can see the difference. Click and play the video to check the quality. Now, our second method is to compress the file by using a software named Handbrake. Download this software by clicking the link given in the description below. Once you download the software, run the exe file and go to the software properties. Here, select a video you want to compress. Choose a folder where you like to save. You can also set the quality. Click the play button, the video has been saved. This is how you can compress the video easily. Check the quality. Thanks for watching my video. For more tutorials, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.